My bad. The rain is like isn't it? I fucking wish I had a raincoat. I would walk. I might. No, I want to walk. I want to go for a cold walk. If only my headphones were waterproof, man. God damn it. If only I had my old headphones. Looks so good. If I open the window, there might be a high possibility of me catching cold because my feet are really cold right now. I feel very cold about it and I don't like it. Let's continue the video. You guys are not listening to this shit right now. Now you listen to music. Enjoy. Hello, Mama. పోయి പക്ഷേ തലവേദന I feel like it's gonna return if I continue thinking so much because my head is heating. Body my bicep is still hurting but my legs are chill. Vanda, it's all gone. Don't worry, it's going. Do you know it's raining very beautifully out here right now? Oh, okay. Sherry. Wait. The question is how am I going to grab it when it's raining so much? ഇല്ല എൻ്റെ അടുത്തില്ല. He doesn't allow. Kasha? Okay. Veg ano? Chicken ano? Thank you. I am sitting alone. Don't worry. Bye bye. Thank you. My mom is buying me soup chat. Soup is gonna be tasty. Is valid on event on interact. Event new function. Okay. Is valid. This is a function though. It's not like this great thing where it has some question mark. Question mark is valid. This one. What is it? Determines if an object is valid. Okay. Where is the event on interact option? It's input. Okay, let's compile and save. What? How's he getting? Don't tell me. I only got 60% memory. How can it crash? God damn it. Why did it crash? I had 20% more space for me to grab and shoot. What the fuck? I had 20% more memory. It had no reason for it to crash. Yes, please. The firing could not successfully. Everything still works though, doesn't it? Okay. No. It's because I saved. I have Task Manager always on with me just in case with performance shown. So it's 82% right now. It's not showing the whole show. Can you show the whole thing, Mister? Oh fuck. Why is it doing this? Huh? Let's see what happens if I click the save button. Any spikes? Nothing. No spikes. What the fuck? Why is it doing this? How do I cancel the outputs? Should I just delete this? Yes. Let's add a new function. Thank you. I fixed it. And then let's play some music. Interacting. Oh shit, spelling wrong. And back to play. Yes. Now let's compile. Let's save. Nothing happened. Thank God. Why is there this white outline? It's read only. Action attack how did it work before? How did it work before? This is the wrong shit. Hey. What the fuck is going on? What is going on? How did everything break? Let's delete this completely. How did everything just break off so randomly? Blueprint interface BPI interactions. Yeah, interaction says on interactions being new input being our ALS. This is a character object reference character column player interaction, compile it, let's open BP item. Yes. Nice. All I like the good and spring. Yes, message. Now, target, hit actor, player interaction, self. Why didn't it work before? I don't know, fucking idea. Now those two work. One second. TikTok by G W. object. Let's on interact. We check if it's valid. Is the player interaction. When valid, if valid is valid, and then we can code off saying destroy actor and then self. Put chuck that shit there. We destroy self. We'll before that let's just give some why am I doing this multiple times? I'll have to do this multiple times again. I could I not if I were to just code it over here and give a function, why are you worrying about it? I don't have to do it again and again. Let's see. We'll say somewhere. Wait, let's first test it out if it works. If valid, destroy actor, right? Let's check if it works. No, it doesn't. Why doesn't it? That's not working. Huh? Huh? Um, bro? See, how I noticed that was when I hit, if you look at my feet area, there's a red dot. You see the red dot next to my feet? I was like, that's the point in contact. Ah, okay. I understand. I understand. Now let's now let's try. What? Huh? How does that work like that? Let's delete the blueprint itself. Reset. Can we sum? We can't summon it, can we? Let's debug this. String item destroyed. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. What? It's not. Don't tell me it's. Wait. Let's try this. I'm not sure. No, this is worse. A component, remember to component object reference. don't think I made any difference for me to check this today. Oh, oh, don't, no fucking sure. Wait, what? I'm not touching this. Why does it target my feet? Is it by sphere traced by channel? Uh, I think if I'm able to get it. No shot, please. Is this it? Okay, for some reason it's depending on the foot of the the tip of the okay, it works though. It works, but it's such a sketchy way of working that you have to be in contact with it. Ah, shit. Contact with the object itself. It's because it's not connected. Search up. Oh, that's awesome. Why is my sphere collision? Not why is my. Why is my sphere's collision in Unreal Engine 5 being red? sphere collision in Unreal Engine 5 is red. What happened? My mom is being sarcastic. What the hell? This is Oh fuck. What I read was good song. Don't be down when it's over, baby. I'll be young man, off man. Why is it still red? Why did my PC random? Oh, it's because I was thinking I was going sleep mode. How does it randomly do that though? If I don't touch my screen enough time, my GPU starts going wild, CPU starts going wild, and then it's crazy completely. And if it goes completely to sleep, that's it. It's gone. That's it. It'll go complete wild mode. Or else it'd be like it's so fast. It's so fast. GPU and CPU, super good. I like this. Hey. Red color on condition usually indicates specific status of events. Here are most common reasons. Error of failure state. Most common growing environment simulation change of red color to red is a default way to signal that collision has occurred, but often leads to critical state of failure. Game engine and red is often used to debug collision. And UE5 collision in a new object is shown red in the world. Fucker, I know this is a problem. It's saying it's not a problem. It thinks it's the debug shit. It showed it to me like a minute ago. I don't know why it's not working anymore. What? My mom just paid 600 rupees to get me smoked barbecue grilled chicken. What? Why? Jammu, hello. Why did you spend so much? I know, can't you just get me some basic grilled chicken. Why getting smoked, barbecued, grilled? Normal chicken is also better. Damn. No one is gonna come, right? I'm alone in a studio working. Everyone is doing their own thing and they're working on their own stuff. Oh, thank you. அதான் நான் ஷாக் படித்து நான் வந்து ഒരു ഫുൾ ഡോക്യുമെൻ്റ് ഉണ്ടാക്കി ഞാൻ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഷെയർ ചെയ്തു ഇതാ പഠിക്കേണ്ടത് ഇങ്ങനെ പഠിക്കേണ്ടത് ഇത്ര മാർക്സ് ഇതൊക്കെ പഠിച്ചിട്ട് ചെയ്തിച്ചു. That's the level of studying I did. Tomorrow I think I'll call everyone for a group discussion, group study, what I want to study. Because I and another girl are the only ones who actually learned French. So I find it somewhat first year പഠിച്ചില്ലേ ഫ്രഞ്ച് basic shit പക്ഷേ അത് ഒരു വീക്കിൽ എടുത്ത കാരണം no one understood it completely. So yeah. Right. I'm not studying. I studied for like 3 hours and I left. I'm not going to study after that. Bye bye. Yes. Oh, you don't say bye and then start speaking. Did I tell that to you? Hello? Yeah, എന്താ പറയേണ്ടത്? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Bye bye. Okay. You are 5. Wow, can I edit this message, please? Okay, there is an edit option. Gemini is so annoying. Well, I don't know why I'm using Gemini. I should use DeepSeek. It's way better for coding and shit. Okay, thank you. The red collision outline in Unreal Engine 5 often indicates that the object is using complex collision as simple. This means it's using a mesh's actual geometry for That's why it hits when I touched it. Instead of actually mesh's actual geometry for collision, which can be expensive for performance and is generally not recommended for regular gameplay walking unless absolutely necessary. The fact that collision isn't working suggests a mismatch in collision settings or an issue with your component hierarchy. Here are the most likely reasons. I don't want the sound. The sound is too happy. Say something else. Remember me speaking about the song? This song has the Ben 10 first the first Ben 10 show, the first season, first and second season's intro has one of these riffs, the guitar riffs, that one right there. That riff, it has the same. When I heard the song, I didn't even care about the lyrics and shit. I was like, the green goo. Wait, you don't see it? Oh fuck, my bad. The green goo. That's the benediction. Here are the most likely reasons for your collision to not be working. Focusing on the common issues as associated with the red collision, complex or as simple. Mismatched collision presets. The most common reason for collision failure is that two interactive objects, example a character and the red outline object, are set to ignore each other's collision channels. Check both objects in details panel of both actors. Look for collision section and collision presets. Okay, let's go there first. Here details, sphere and the object. The sphere. Ensure the object with the red collision is set to block the collision channel of the object trying to hit or let's just test everything by just putting everything to a block all. Block all. Block all. Now let's test it. Okay, it's blocking all. I can't enter at all. Oh. Bitch. Oh fuck no. It's blocking all. Is it red? It's still red. Well, how's the character? Okay, it is inside everything. Why is it randomly smoking up again? What is running that makes my GPU and CPU go up randomly? Windows, you're doing some shit, bro, which I don't like. Say that you want myself. I forgot what button to click to make everything be seen. No, the wrong button. What the fuck? Okay. No. Can characters set up? No, that's not important. No collision, custom, pawn, overlap, or block all dynamics, overlap all dynamics, ignore only pawn, pawn. By the way, I've had the same problem for like 4 times now. Every time when I try to do something like this, I keep forgetting what I should do to fix it. If you're relying on event hit and blueprint, which is for physically blocking or bouncing, you may run into the problems if the component with the collision is not the root component of the actor. It is the root component of the actor. Solution for reliable event component this time should be dragged to become the root component. I did that. It's the root component. It should have fixed by now, bro. If it's the root component. The root component. No shot. No shot. This works. I touched it. No. Wait. No, it's not working. Let's see the max I can go. 60. It was somewhat close. Let's not set it to triggered. If I convert this into this means I can go through it, right? Yeah. Have I converted the cube into a collision box instead of the collision box having a collision box? And now I could just add static mesh and call this some banana. Now all of this should disappear. Let's just convert this static mesh to some other mesh. A barrel, which is like up here, right? Let's just consider. Now let's play. How the fuck is that working right now? I have no fucking clue. This makes no sense. Can I make this transparent? Let's put a translucent material. Let's drag it down here. Let's Wow. Oh Lord, how does that work? Please. It makes fucking sense. I just realized. We're not hitting an actor, we're hitting a collision box. It's not an actor. Yeah? So the actor is the box itself. So if I just switch this, even this, to into like a cube. It was a cube before. Let's leave it like this because it works, right? It works, so we leave it. Why worry about doing extra work? If a problem arises, which I don't feel like it would, we will solve it then. You stop increasing that much. We could technically increase it to how much ever. How did I have the transparent texture before? Oh wait, did I? What? Huh? Okay. Oh, I forgot to convert this into. Okay, we have made it so that the hitbox makes sure that we are allowed to contact, and then if we are inside the hitbox, the actor is destroyed, which is the cube. Okay. Yay, it works. Yeah, finally it works. In the most shittiest way possible. I should not be doing this. I should know how it's done. I should fix it, but who fucking cares? Who fucking cares? Where is my friend Rishi? I technically do this because I have more ego by sending it to people and showing that fuck you, I'm smarter than you know because I did this. What's the name? What's his name? Rish. Rishi, I'm done with the item pickup. It's finally done, bro. Look at this. So the character's here. This is the hitbox. The item got destroyed. Oh lord, this took me one day. Because I didn't understand how collision box work and how to send information from one character to another, which I finally learned. And my head hurts now. But everything works. Everything works. That's the important part. Everything works really well. Yes. I should just add animation and make sure that the information, the item info, and the amount of items and blah blah blah, all that stuff into a separate module. And then I'll be done with the inventory system. My friend actually went for goat cutting. I don't know if you can see the seal. You guys can't see it. Ah fuck, this is too less bright. Is it mirroring for you? Okay, it basically says traumatize your friends by sending them an edit of UV unwrapping. And there's like a lot of images of UV unwrapped characters. With good topology actually. It's not raining anymore. So we're basically done with half of the inventory mechanic of destroying the material. Now we have to send the information. How do we do that? Blueprint interfaces, item blueprint. Here we shall make macro enumeration. Library, structure. I think. Yes, structure. That's right. Let's put it over here. Take this off. Take this off. Why didn't my CPU spike up to like 90% randomly? Something is going on that's annoying me and I don't know what it is. Maybe this is enough for the day. But I want to get this done with. Let's give some shit then. Can you zoom in? I can't zoom in. Let's save for that. Okay, basically item ID. This will of course be an integer. Then item name. This will be name, item, disk. Why am I repeating item many times? Let's put an item description. This will be text, then amount, which will also be an integer, then buy and sell value, so sell value, integer, by value, integer, what else, name, item to say amount, say value, by value, anything else, anything else. Is there anything else required? If we have anything, we can add later, right? That's done, that's done, that's done. Item. Ask this guy to fucking shut the fuck up. I fucking hate this dude. He's so annoying. I don't care about people, bro. I really don't get hate. The word hate is too strong. I hate only 2 people in this college. I only hate 2 people in this college, and one of them is the one sitting there. He's this guy's second. I hate one other dude, but I think I equally hate them. I can't define who. That's it, bro. Hello. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, I can. Yeah, hello, can you hear me? Huh? நீங்க கூப்பிட்டீங்க என்ன? Just called me and then they cut the call. When I call them back, they say, who are you? Yeah. People these days. I will go. We're done with half of the shit. Maybe after dinner I might. After I eat the gorgeous BBQ chicken that my mom has bought for me. After I eat it, I might come back after all the energy I gain.